An interesting design because we started out talking about replacing their current deck. They had a small deck they'd had for years, and there was a overriding design element that they had an older dog, and the dog couldn't go up and down the stairs anymore easily. Not the normal design problem to deal with, but that was very important to them, that Cody could go up and down the stairs comfortably. And they started out by saying, we want the two-deck idea, very similar to the prior project, one right outside the door, one going down to a lower deck on the ground. Now these were much closer, communicated, worked with each other. But as we explored the design and got into budget constraints, I'm not quite sure how we shifted, but we got into a conversation. They wanted a low-maintenance deck.
Right.
And the premium on a low-maintenance deck, and these are very generic numbers, but the premium from going from a basic wooden deck to a low-maintenance deck made of the new composites is about 50%, so it's a considerable jump.
Right.
As we explored that and talked about the budget they had planned to use for this project, we started talking about the fact that years ago what she really wanted was a screen porch, but unfortunately it was too expensive. Well, we started comparing numbers, and quite frankly it was in the same ballpark as the low-maintenance deck they were looking at, so that's what we shifted to, and we designed a screen porch with a series of landings so that Cody could easily access the ground that met their needs.
Perfect.
And this is that finished project.
So basically it's sort of a compromise. You weigh different things that you want against your budget constraints, etc., and you come up with something that actually is perfect for what they were looking for.
One of the most important questions that I think anyone should ask when they're designing is, when they see something they like or they have something they like, ask why. Because when you dig deeper, you have tools, because oftentimes you'll have priorities that conflict. But if you can understand the whys, then maybe you can make them all work together and balance them out. So it's a give and take and a compromise process.